Well, here it is. Beautiful 97 Jeep, ruined with a 9-inch lift. But oh my god, is this thing beautiful. So I guess I'm just gonna do a little bit of a walk around here. Show off some bits I've got. It is a 97 Jeep, standard AX15. Has a worn rear bumper with a tire carrier and high lift jack. I'm running some Napier flat style fender flares. And yes, this thing does have a 9-inch lift. Got all the goodies underneath, 35-inch tires, long arms. She's a little rusty, still a project. And this thing drove sketchy as all hell when it had a 3-inch lift on it, or it was a rough country with some pucks, and this thing would try and kill you even if you looked at it. Fucking awesome. So with this 9-inch lift, totally accident getting the 9-inch. I would recommend not getting a 9-inch, but when I got the 3-inch I was disappointed with how low it was, so I decided I wasn't going to make that mistake again, and instead made a bigger mistake. Whatever, this is my daily. It's a little bit of a toy. It's got Bilsteins, and I have those probably 4 months old and they look like shit. Glad I spent $800 on that. Pretty much everything underneath is Iron Rock Off-Road. The lift itself is some rusty springs, some other goodies. I have a drop Pitman arm. Just picked up these headlights and they're beautiful and I love them. The front bumper is actually a Pro Comp bumper for a TJ, and we cut in the middle and extended it about 10 inches, and this is just a custom homemade stinger that we had to get bent up. I love the roof rack and the roof lights, and those are about the first things I've ever done for it, and I need to change them. I don't like them, they're cheap. It looks cool, but I want something better. I'll open up here the hood. I'm in the middle of a junkyard pull, but just got a fresh carpet put in. Welded up brand new floor pans. I have heated WJ Grand Cherokee seats, leather of course. Everything else pretty stock. Got some gauges because it's a race Jeep. Oil pressure because it's a Jeep, and the other two I just had kicking around, so I tossed them in. It's not boosted, not yet. Hard to see, I got a big old sub, but like I said, I was in the middle of rescuing some people, so I got some tow ropes, coolant, all that stuff. Yeah, other than that, pretty much stock, I would say. Fires right up here. It is a rebuilt 5-speed, and it has a 31 transfer case, slip yoke eliminator. Right now I am running stock axles. Nothing too fancy. It is a rebuilt engine. She is beautiful. Gives the illusion of a race Jeep. It's slow as hell. The rear is a Chrysler 8 1/4. Pretty much stock. It has a lunchbox locker. I am on 35s. I'm going to go to 37s, but I'm going to build new diffs for that. I have a Ford 888 already. Just need a front diff. Drives like shit with 3.07 gear ratio, but this is my daily and I love her. Body, like I said, 400,000 kilometers on this body. It's only got some rust here on this door and real bad on the top of the windshield, but gonna be looking at fixing that in the coming weeks. But this is my baby. I love it. This is one of my projects I'm working on. I have an 02 Silverado step side. That's my race truck. That thing I hit the strips with. This thing's just my toy and it looks good. I have a few ideas, and I guess, of course, I have ideas to build on it still, so there will be upcoming videos of that. But right now we do have to focus on the Civic and get that running again.